Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a shop with me and a grocery haul. We are at Walmart, which is like a smaller version of Winco, and I've got my list here. Dinners for the next week, and then snacks and, you know, all the ingredients for all of our dinners and everything that we need for the next week. So we're gonna go in, get everything, and then when we get home, I will show you everything I got and give you a rundown on the cost for our groceries for the next week. If you guys have a Winco or a Walmart in your area, they have really good prices, so definitely check them out. But let's go in and start shopping. All right, we just finished up shopping. It's always fun to shop with your husband, but he is my cameraman today, so props to him for getting all the angles I was trying to teach him how to get.
Thanks, babe.
He's still on the GoPro.
Still getting angles.
My bad side.
Oh.
But anyways, we're gonna head home now and take all these groceries in the house, unload everything, and I will show you guys everything that we got, everything we're having for dinner for the next week, and give you all the details. All right, we are back. I have everything out here on the counter. Sorry, the air fryer's going, so that's the noise that you guys are hearing. But I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got. Oh, here's my receipt. So, we got how many items? 57 items, and our total was $172.39. We don't have sales tax in Oregon, so that's just the whole price of everything. So let me show you guys. This was my grocery list that I showed you guys before we went shopping. Crossed everything off except for Pirate's Booty. They didn't have any of that. So I got graham crackers for the kids instead. There's a few things that we got that weren't on the list. That's how it always goes. But for dinners this week, I have a HelloFresh meal in the refrigerator already, so we're gonna do that. I always write like the days of the week and then the meals, but we don't always like stick to like this is the day that we're having, because like Wednesday says pizza, but we'll probably do pizza like tonight or tomorrow night because it's the weekend. So anyways, we're gonna do HelloFresh one night, Mexican chicken. So I do like chicken breast with salsa on it, and then shredded cheddar cheese, and bake it in the oven. And some rice. I have these rice packets from Costco, brown rice and quinoa. They have like garlic and stuff in them. They're really delicious. And then some vegetables. I have frozen vegetables in the freezer from Costco as well, and I just cook them on the stovetop with some seasoning and olive oil. And then tacos. We're gonna do pork tacos, and then we're gonna do spaghetti one night. This says Juicy Burgers. If you guys missed the video where I showed my burger recipe, that's so good. They're like, I don't know what to call them. They're just like really messy, ooey gooey, juicy burgers. So we're gonna do those one night. Like I said, pizza one night, and then lasagna one night. I already have lasagna noodles up here in the pantry as well. So this is what the pantry is looking like right now. We've got, actually I need to throw this bag of Pirate's Booty away. I'm gonna clean all this out and like put everything away after I'm done showing you guys everything. We've got tortilla chips back there, but you can see the snack drawer is looking very bare. Usually this is like overflowing. Totally out of the kids' granola bars, fruit. This is where the fruit snacks always are. And then the rest of the snacks. And then up here we have a couple things of mac and cheese. The cereal's getting low, so we got another one. The lasagna noodles. I've got rice up here, another thing of salsa. So I already have corn tortillas for tacos too, but we're looking pretty bare in here. So all of this will last us a week for dinners, snacks, lunches, all of that sort of thing. I have a bunch of Daily Harvest things in here for my lunch. We have frozen fruit. There's like a little pizza there. We have some vegetables, other chicken nuggets, and what's our fridge looking like? We've got some fruit. This is for dinner tonight, So as you guys can see, we're out of string cheese, running low on eggs. So we have some things, and I'm replenishing some other things, and that will last us about a week. So 170, what did I say? 172? Not too shabby for 5 people for a whole week. So here we go. We've got some bananas. We have goldfish. Got a 28 pack of chips. They have both kinds of Doritos, sour cream and onion. We've got the white cheddar popcorn, some pretzels, 2 different kinds of Cheetos, and Sun Chips. Berkeley calls these ones cheesy dibbles. What movie is that from? Penguins? Or, yeah, I think it was from Penguin. Cheesy Dibbles. Oh, man. Anyways, this wasn't on the list, but we got some dishwasher detergent. Is that what you call it? Dishwasher soap? I don't know. Got some graham crackers, some chocolate chip granola bars, and then these are the chocolate covered chocolate chip granola bars. Got some sour cream, Tillamook of course. It's like all dairy products we try to get Tillamook if it's available. So sour cream for tacos, vanilla yogurt to put in smoothies. Got some potato buns, hamburger buns for those ooey gooey juicy burgers. Some bread. Got some almonds. I always like to just grab like a handful of these, have a snack with like almonds and string cheese. I don't know. It's a really good snack. Donnie got some popcorn, movie theater butter popcorn. We're gonna probably watch a movie with the kids tonight, have some popcorn. We got a big giant thing of Honey Nut Cheerios. I don't know if you noticed, but in the very beginning when we started shopping, I picked up like 2 small boxes that were like $1.98 each because they were right in the like the first aisle when you walk in. It's like all their stuff that's like good deals, I guess. But then we were in the cereal aisle and they had this giant box that was way more. It's a pound, and it was like a way better deal for the amount. So it was cheaper than the 2 little boxes, and it's more. So we got 60 fruit snacks. Donnie will probably eat about 30 of those. This baby spinach spring mix, salads, smoothies, all the things. With that, I've got a lime, some ricotta cheese. I've got a bunch of Kind bars, all different flavors. These are only like 98 cents, I think, at Winco. Got some ground pork for pork tacos, ground sausage for lasagna and for spaghetti. I'll do half sausage, half ground beef for lasagna and for spaghetti. It just gives it such good flavor. We have some butter, some hot dogs, some frozen fruit for smoothies. Got some chicken nuggets. You guys saw we had like the dinosaur chicken nuggets in the freezer too, but some of our kids like those and some of them don't, so we get both. I probably won't even buy those dinosaur ones again. I got them at like grocery outlet, and I think only Brody likes them, so when they're gone I'll probably just only get these again. But anyways, we've got some mandarin oranges, some chocolate milk, some coffee creamer, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, a green bell pepper, some fruit cups. These are everyone's favorite, the cherry mixed fruit. Got 2 things of string cheese, 2 pounds of ground beef, and then we got these prime rib beef steak burger patties to do the burgers with. Usually I'll just like make my own patties, but Donnie thought these sounded good, so we got those. I got 2 packs of this smoked turkey breast for sandwiches, some eggs, and some tater tots to go with our burgers, and then some chicken. So that's everything that we got from Walmart, Winco, and now I'm gonna get everything put away, clean out the fridge of stuff that we don't need in there, and yeah, get this all organized. Going to be it for this shop with me and grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed going shopping with us and seeing everything that we got for the week. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you join the Kasper family, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.